sued you for using their names.
Only if it's slander.
Gotcha. Still seated. Feels better on that, doesn't it? So he's got huge muscles through here, but you can tell tender, 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 tender because of the swelling. I'm gonna stretch your neck. Don't worry, I'm not gonna crunch on it. Gentle stretch. Gentle stretch. You all right? That was nice. That was unexpected. Got a little adjustment. Come up here and have a seat. This is the thing I promised you.